Hey gamers, so today I'm going to show you get esign for your phone. So this is like an app that lets you sign stuff. It's pretty wild. So let's go into the tutorial. So the first thing we're going to do is go onto the website right here. So it's called hexmods.com. So let me just hop on over there. So in this site, there's lots of apps and stuff. So modded apps and games, doesn't matter for the purpose of the video. Today we just want esign. So press on it, press download, and there you go. So it's gonna start downloading. It's super cool. So before it downloads, there is one more step. Obviously, we got the verification step. So what you need to do is download 2 apps and then follow the instructions. They're 100% free, guys, and they're from official app store. So as you can see, we got all the apps here. So just do 2 of them. Like Travel Town, you know, you got to reach level 9 or whatever. Family Island, you got to reach level 11. This one's a game. So the games are pretty simple, honestly. A lot of people might knock the game, but trust me, it's actually not that hard to play, most of them. So anyway, guys, that's how to get the esign for iOS and Android. Just make sure you guys download 2 of the apps. There's the video you can watch if you're confused. So super cool. So hope you guys enjoyed it, but it's pretty easy actually. So some of y'all be like, oh, there's no way I can pass the verification. Well, why don't you give it a try, and it's going to actually not be that hard. So I'm going to see you guys later, but yeah, definitely go ahead and try it out. So let's see what happens. All right. So that's how to get it, guys. So be sure to try it out for yourself. This is super cool, and it's working.